Alright, let's dive into today's unboxing. Here's the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam. First impression, slick packaging, feels premium. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Right on top, the dash cam itself. It's compact, sturdy, and feels high quality. We've got both front and rear cameras here. Check this out, a free 128GB microSD card included. No need to buy extra storage, love that. Also included power cable, mounting hardware. There's a user manual, super helpful for setup. Let's take a closer look at the main camera. The lens is wide, looks really sharp. Front camera records in true 4K 3840x2160p at 30 FPS. Rear camera does full HD 1080p at 30 FPS. Ultra-wide angles, 150 degrees front, 140 degree rear. You'll capture so much more of the road. Let's power it up and check the screen. 3-inch IPS display, bright, crisp, easy to read. Menus are straightforward, not overwhelming. Let's talk about video quality. Here's some footage. Daytime shots are super clear, lots of detail. License plates, road signs, everything stands out. Night vision is where this thing shines. Sony Starvis 2 sensor, amazing low-light performance. f1.5 aperture on the front, f1.8 rear. Even in dark parking lots, footage is bright. Colors pop, details are sharp, no graininess. Let's try the app, connecting via built-in Wi-Fi. Supports dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Download speeds are seriously fast, up to 20 Mbps. Videos transfer straight to my phone in seconds. ROVE app is user-friendly, easy navigation. You can view, download, and share clips instantly. Adjust settings and update firmware right from app. Now the GPS feature, built right in, shows live speed and compass on the display. Records your routes, speed, and location. Super useful for evidence or trip tracking. On your computer, use ROVE's GPS player. See your video with mapped driving data. Let's talk advanced features. There's a lot here. Motion detection, G-sensor, seamless loop recording. Emergency video lock, protects important footage automatically. Screensaver, voice guidance, live speed display. Optional CPL filter ring for glare reduction. Super capacitor, means longer product life, more reliable. Supports up to 1 TB microSD cards, future-proof. Now for the custom 24/7 parking mode. 3 options, time-lapse, motion, and collision detection. If something happens, it records a 1-min clip, locks the event video safely in a folder. Voice alert tells you about events when you return. Hardwire kit needed for parking mode, sold separately. I really appreciate the voice guidance feature. Makes setup and alerts so much easier. Let's check out the rear camera installation. Mounts easily on the back window, discreet. Cables are long enough for most vehicles. Setup took me about 20 minutes, pretty painless. Once installed, both cameras sync perfectly. Footage from both cameras is super smooth. Seamless loop recording means you never miss anything. Emergency lock kicks in if there's an incident. I love the peace of mind this brings. For anyone who wants reliable evidence, this is it. Honestly, the image quality blew me away. The app makes sharing and saving so easy. If you want a feature-packed dash cam, go for it. Grab the ROVE R2-4K dual and drive with confidence. So there you have it. The ROVE R2-4K dual front and rear dash cam with night vision isn't just another gadget. It's your smart co-pilot on every trip. Whether you're driving through the city, parked at night, or capturing a beautiful sunset road trip, this dash cam has your back in full clarity. You'll find the link to the product in the description below, so go check it out and grab yours before it sells out. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more real reviews on the best tech and car accessories. Until next time, drive safe, stay protected, and stay savvy. Peace out.